people have a perception of Las Vegas that it's all casinos and glitz and glamour, but there's a lot of people here that support the industries and live in regular neighborhoods and have regular lives like everybody else.
Well, this is the Valley View neighborhood of Henderson. It's been here since 1954. These are working class families.
The people that they help are those who are most in need in our community. They allow them to stay in their homes where otherwise they might be forced out. They can't afford the upgrades that are needed, and so they would have to move to another unfamiliar location.
We are spray painting the new numbers on the curb. We're doing that so emergency response can get enough time, get here quicker to respond to an emergency.
What we're doing, lawn care, trimming trees, painting curbs, things that a lot of people don't have the time for and maybe don't have the resources, even the tools to do this.
I want to personally again thank ADT with their volunteers, their financial support.
This is something we've done annually. It's a part of us giving back. It's a part of us having community impact in areas that we care about. And Henderson is a great town. We want to make sure that we're a part of it, that we continue to serve within this neighborhood.
I lived here for, I think, almost 15 years. There's a lot of elderly people in the neighborhood, and they're in much need for help, with certain things, cutting the palm trees, raking out the yards, picking up the weeds, all that good stuff. So I just appreciate it, and thank you for all the hard work that you guys are doing, and thank you so much.
What better way than to the week of the big game for us to come out here and give back, beautify the neighborhood, and actually create more of a partnership with our potential customers, or even just people that live within our community.